Hello, I'm Davis from Aribabox, and today we are going to assemble CNC cut plywood pinball table. Yeah, you heard me right, a pinball table. All you will need for this project is a sheet of 18mm and a sheet of 9mm plywood, as well as a pack of rubber gums for pop bumpers. As a designer, I have to admit this was a really challenging project to sketch, since I wanted the gameplay to feel authentic to original pinball table. The first challenge was to come up with the playfield layout. I spent some time researching the internet for inspiration, just to have some ideas of elements I wanted this pinball table to have. I quickly realized that some of the concepts I collected were cool, but they would be very difficult to make using only plywood. So the surfing online wasn't as useful as I thought it would be. But I realized I would like to build a multiple level playfield. Before I designed the whole field, I thought it would be a good idea to solve the ball launching and flipper mechanisms, so I have better understanding of actual space I have left for other game elements such as pop bumpers, ramps, holes, and so on. When sketching the flippers, I came across a small problem. If I wanted the flippers be from a single piece of wood, I had to use 18mm plywood, and if I wanted to add dog bones, it would compromise the joint and the parts wouldn't hold together as well as they should. However, if I chose not using dog bones for this part, there would have to be some chiseling done. If you want to skip chiseling, there is a way. In the blueprints I added an option for you to make a flipper from two 9mm pieces, just like this. The sticks for rubber bands may require a little bit of sanding so they don't damage the bands so much. That's it for today. Thanks for watching, and if you want to make your own pinball table, the DXF files will be available on Aribabox.com. I will leave the link in description. By the way, if you have some ideas that you would like for us to make, feel free to post them in the comment section or DM us on Facebook, Instagram or via email. Please leave a like and subscribe. It will really help with my self-esteem.